So I hoisted the mainsail, and it looks pretty much good actually. It's quite in a decent condition. It wasn't used heavily, and it's relatively new. I think it's maybe 2 years old. It's a trysail made by Knots. There's no visible damage on it, and it's protected, so there's no UV damage. I'm quite satisfied with it. The two things which I actually didn't like, the first one was that the cards are actually not all of them, but sometimes they jam into this particular plate, which is covering the groove. So I have to actually manually unjam them and you know, jerk the sail so the card can go properly inside. That's something I have to work on. And the second thing I didn't really like, but it's more easier to fix, is the reef. As you can see, the reef is quite low. This is basically the first reef, and the guy who I bought the boat from decided to keep it like that, which makes sense in ex-marina, which was inside of the Tokyo Bay, deep inside of the Tokyo Bay. So the winds are not so strong there, so actually the reefing the sail more doesn't make any sense. However, this is Chiba, it's the open ocean. There's a Pacific over there behind that wall, and yeah, it seems more likely that I'm gonna reef the sail more up. I'm gonna use actually the second reef point in the middle of the sail, which will probably cut me around 60% of the surface of the sail, and I'm gonna attach it there on the gooseneck. I definitely want to stay safe when it's getting gusty, and I really want to depower the boat properly. So what we will do, we're gonna detach this bowline here from the reef line, and we're gonna attach it here. So we're gonna have more reefed sail, which is, as I said, much more safer in the stronger winds, like in this particular region. We're gonna loose the sail a little bit, and we're gonna put the cards as much as we can down, and we're gonna attach this ring to the gooseneck in order to properly test, does this work or not. Yeah, it should be like this. Now on the other side, it should be basically, this should be under tension to keep the sail straight. Yeah, now there's a proper tension. So let's see how it looks from the outside. boat in half stormy conditions. It's about 18-20 knots of wind. And I'm with Julian.
And I haven't vomited yet.
No, he won't vomit. He refuses to.
Yeah.
So yeah, the boat is behaving quite well. We're pleased it's behaving very, very nicely, very responsive, and we're running now